So here's a quick video on how to use a STL file to make parts out of a CNC mill using Estlcam version 9.050. So first of all, you're gonna have to load your file. You're gonna click on File, Open. You go on wherever you put your STL file. So there's an STL file for some surfboard fins. I'm gonna hit open. You choose the dimensions you want, whatever. Press OK. Then you're prompted this window. Personally, I prefer block machining because it's easier to just flip the part upside down. And most parameters are set automatically, or you go free machining and everything's set up manually. So we're gonna hit block machining. First of all, for roughing, you want usually faster stuff, so you can either put lines on one way or another. And for finishing, you want to go for contour machining because it gives a smoother finish, but it's way longer to process. You choose the tool that you want on both ends. Corner radius, I usually don't touch it. If something is not right, it's gonna prompt you and ask you to add some corner radius over. So I just leave those parameters right there because I'm still learning with that. Gap is on the edge. If you look at the fin here, it's on the edge. That's gonna be the hole that's gonna be in between the part and your block of material. So right here it's set to 6 millimeters because my end mill is 3 mil. If my end mill is going to be bigger, the gap's going to be bigger. Depth limit, I usually set it at around 12 to 15 because I don't want my end mill to go lower than that. Otherwise it can just strike the plate and get everything deorganized. Material width, length, and height is the thickness of your block, the length, and the width of your material that you're using. So you have to be really precise on this because when you're gonna flip because as you can see it's two-side machining. When you're gonna flip your part, if it's not right, it's not gonna mill at the right spot. So holding tab, that's what you want to use, and you have to place them on the thing. So basically you just go where you want it to go, and you click. It's gonna add holding tabs. So depending on the part, you want 3, 4, 5. It all depends on you and how you want the thing to be precise. So you basically add that up. And we're pretty much done with that. You're hitting program. You record the program where you want it to be. So I just said yes.